YouTube. I don't know about you guys, but every morning I have to start my day with a hot cup of coffee. And it's come to my attention that a lot of people don't know how to use a French press. Now, the French press, in my opinion, is the easiest and fastest way to make a great cup of coffee. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it properly here. Now, to do this, today we're using the Starbucks Blonde Espresso Roast. Now, your coffee has to be ground coarsely. You can't use the fine grind that you would use in a typical drip coffee because it won't work properly. So if you see that, it's very coarse. Now, our French press here is a Bodum, I believe it's an 8 cup. So this will make 8 cups of coffee. So to get started, we'll need to put 4 scoops. Now each French press usually comes with a plastic scoop to measure the coffee out in. Now if you don't have a scoop, this particular scoop holds 7 grams of coffee. So for this 8 cup French press, we'll need 4 scoops of coffee. So you start by putting in 4 scoops of the coffee. Now this has already been pre-measured, so I'm just going to dump this all in here. Okay. Now we'll need to add boiling water. This just boiled, so we'll fill this all the way up to the top. Leave a little bit of a gap for the plunger here. Stir it. Okay, now we're going to take the plunger. This is the plunger. Okay, now we need to place this onto the French press. Carefully. Okay, secure it in place. Do not push this down yet. Okay, now we're going to need to set a timer for 4 minutes to let it seep.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that the 4 minutes are up, all we have to do is push the plunger down carefully. And pour our coffee. And that's how you use a French press. Couldn't be easier. Hey guys, if you like this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe so I can keep bringing you more videos.